Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you will be fine. In previous lecture we have learned about organs. What are organs? An organ is made of different tissues which work together. Some plant organs are given below. These are stem, leaves, flowers and roots. Similarly, some human and animal organs are heart, lungs, nose and liver. When these organs work together, then they make a system. In today's lecture, we will discuss organs form organ system. What is organ system? An organ system is a group of organs which work together. Major human organ systems or major organ system in plants. Plants have two main organ systems. These are root system and shoot system. And major human human have four main organ systems. These are digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system and nervous system. Now we will discuss in detail one by one. First is root system. Root system consists of organs. These are roots, branch roots and root hairs. Roots holds the plant in the soil. Function: root system helps the plant to absorb water and salts dissolve in the soil. Next, shoot system. This part of plant is out of ground. Outside the ground forms shoot system. It consists of main organs. These are stem, leaves, flowers and branches of trees. When these organs work together, they make a system, that is shoot system. What is function of shoot system? Shoot system performs many functions like movement of water, food making and producing seeds. Now we will discuss some major human organ systems. First is digestive system. Digestive system consists of some organs. These are food pipe, mouth, stomach, liver and intestines. When these organs work together, then they make a system, that is digestive system. Digestive system, what is function of digestive system? Digestive system helps in digestion of food. Next is respiratory system. Respiratory system consists of some organs. These are nose, windpipe, lungs. When these organs work together, then make a system, that is respiratory system. What is function of respiratory system? We breathe through this system. Next is circulatory system. Circulatory system consists of some organs. These are heart, blood vessels. These are capillaries, arteries, capillaries and veins. When these organs work together, then make circulatory system. Circulatory, what is function of circulatory system? It circulates the blood within the body from one part of the body to another part. Next is nervous system. What is nervous system? Nervous system consists of some organs. These are brain, spinal cord and nerves. When these organs work together, then they make system, that is nervous system. What is function of nervous system? Nervous system carries message from one part of the body to other part. Students, today's assignment is write about shoot system of plant. The answer of this question is given below. Memorize and write the answer of this question on your notebook. For any question, can text us. Khuda Hafiz.